Hello everyone, it's Heather and I'm here to open the January Universal Yums box. Now don't worry, the kids are still here. They are going to be joining me later. I've decided that this year with our Universal Yums unboxings, I'm going to try to mix it up a little and try some different things to give some variety to the videos and make them more interesting. So we're going to be doing something a little different with our Yums box today. And for starters, I'm just going to introduce you to the box, and we're each going to be picking out what we think will be our 3 favorites from this box, and we're each going to try those individually. Let's open the box. Poland. I think we did have Poland once before. If I'm right, I will link that video up here so you can go back and see our previous unboxing of a Universal Yums box from Poland. Here is the book, and here is the sticker. If you guys get Universal Yums, what do you do with your stickers? We liked it when the sticker actually sealed the box closed. We never know what to do with these. I mean, they're kind of cute, but I almost feel like they're a waste because where are you going to put these? But I'm wondering if anybody like collects them or puts them in a notebook, or what do you do with your stickers? Let me know in the comments below. And I'm going to quick tell you what is in here. And then we're each going to pick out our favorites, what we predict our favorites will be. And we're going to try those. Okay. Very basic, butter and salt potato chips. These look familiar. Monster Munch potato crisps, and I know we've had these before. Cheese and onion pretzel sticks. Iced mint Piernicki gingerbread. Cocoa glazed gingerbread sticks. Dark chocolate with panna cotta filling. And it's like a bar. It's pretty big. Dark chocolate covered marshmallow bar. And milk chocolate with peanut and cocoa filling. These are chocolate covered gingerbread cookies. And then there is a Yum bag. In the Yum bag, there is strawberry, raspberry, peach, or lemon yogurt candy, milk fudge croca candy. It says it's a caramel with a crumbly outside and a gooey inside. And that's it. My prediction for the 3 things I'm going to like the best. And I'm really not sure about this because among the savories, I think it could be any of them. I think it could be any of the chips, the pretzels. I'm going to go with the Monster Munch, okay? I'm going to predict that the Monster Munch potato snack guys are one of my favorites. Smells like a potato thing. Light, crunchy, kind of flavorless though. It's fine, and I could probably easily eat the whole bag, but not sure if it'll stick with being one of my favorites. Okay, the other thing I think might be one of my favorites is this bar, which is a milk chocolate bar with peanut and cocoa filling. I have to make sure I don't eat the whole thing because this might be one of the other kids' favorites too. Yeah, I really like that. It's nice and light. It has just a little bit of crispiness. Really nice peanutty flavor. I like this one a lot. I think that was a good prediction. If the other kids don't want it, I'll eat the whole thing. Okay, and then I'm actually going to try... I'm going to cheat. Okay. I want to try both of the Yums. All right, I'm going to try the little fudge thing first. It's like in this little rectangular package. Actually looks like a caramel. It's soft though. You can bite it right off. Yes, I think that was a really good choice too. It was very light and nice soft. It's kind of like those fudge that come from the UK that I really like. Same consistency, nice light flavor. I like that one a lot too. Okay, and here's my cheat because I'm only supposed to pick 3. I'll say my third one was the Yum bag. Does that count? Okay, I'm actually, wait, I don't want the strawberry though. I'm gonna try the peach. Is this the peach? Yeah. Trying the peach of the yogurt things. It smells strongly of peach. You gotta suck on it just a little bit, and then you can bite it quite easily. It's just a nice solid peach flavor. It's not like yogurt exploded in your mouth or anything. I mean, it's there. But that's nice too. It's fruity and refreshing. I like it. Those were what I predicted would be my 3 favorites from the bag. So it's these, which I think I might have been wrong about. The chocolate peanut bar, which I definitely really liked. And the Yum bag, which I definitely really liked that too. So we will try everything at the end of the video. So stay tuned. But first, the kids are going to tell you what they predict will be their 3 favorite things from the box. Okay, so the 3 that I have picked out to try are the Monster Munch, whatever these are, little ghost chips, the gingerbread cookie, the I'm not even going to try to pronounce that, so this one, and then the gingerbread sticks, which are basically Pocky. So I think I'm going to try the one that's already open, because that's reasonable. Let's see. That's a very weird shape, as you can see. It's like kind of rounded. I think that's just because it like got puffed. Like it's a puffy kind of chip. It tastes very plain. It doesn't have the most in it. But yeah, they're good. I mean, I wouldn't eat these all the time, but if I just found them at a shop, I would eat them. Like as like Doritos or whatever at a restaurant. Yeah, they're not bad, but they're pretty plain, so. Yeah. Next, I'm gonna try the gingerbread cookie. Oh, it has a shape. It's kind of rounded at the top. It looks like a Mickey. Is it a Mickey? Maybe it is. But I doubt it, because, yeah. It's not. Oh, it kind of does, though. Oh, never mind. So, it has some sort of texture. Don't know how to describe it, but I'll just bite a corner. Wow, that's something. There is way too much chocolate and not enough gingerbread. So lastly, I'm trying basically the Poland version of Pocky. This seems very easy to open. This is basically Pocky, but there's way more. So it's very similar to Pocky. I just had Pocky yesterday, and it's just a little bit bigger. So it's the exact same concept. It's got a box, a cardboard box, and then it's got a bag with the Pocky or whatever it's in it. It's basically just like sticks with whatever the main part is. In this case, it's gingerbread, and then it has like a chocolate or whatever over it, like dipped. So kind of cool. But oh yeah, this looks exactly like Pocky. It even has the end that looks like Pocky. That's how similar this is. So basically, if you like Pocky, you'll probably like this, which I very much like Pocky. But yeah, let me try this. Wow, that's really good. Not as good as Pocky. I was expecting Pocky as I bit it, but the gingerbread is really nice. And the chocolate is very subtle, so it's really good. And there's quite a lot of them, as you can see. Definitely going to be eating these later. I would say these are probably my favorite. And then the Monster Munch. These will be my second. And then the dark chocolate covered gingerbread cookie thing. So yeah, pretty good. I'd say this is definitely my favorite. And I would very much like to visit Poland. It's on my list. I just basically want to visit all of Europe in one trip. Not really, but that would be a very long trip. But yeah, I'd very much like to visit Poland.
Okay, so I think I would want to visit Poland one day. It's not at the top of my list, mostly because I don't really know much about it. But I think I'd like visiting most any country in Europe, honestly. But okay, today I'm going to be trying I think these were butter and salt chips, the cheese and onion pretzel sticks, and the milk chocolate peanut cocoa bar, peanut bar with wafers and milk chocolate, because I think that those three are going to be my favorite out of everything. First, I'm trying the cheese and onion pretzel sticks. They smell a lot stronger than they taste. They smell like cheese and onion, but they don't taste like anything. Yeah, it really just tastes like a pretzel. Extremely subtle hints of the flavoring, but otherwise it's like just a pretzel. I mean, it's okay, I like pretzels, but yeah, okay, so probably not my favorite actually. Next I've got the butter and salt chips. This is a very big bag, and I cannot pronounce any of the words on it. Okay, very big bag, but it's only about half full, just like American chip bags. Oh boy, it smells very strongly of butter. And tastes very strongly of butter. Very light, flaky chip. Okay, last on my own, I'm going to try the peanut bar. I'm actually kind of hoping that I don't like this one too much because Mom said she wants the rest, and I don't want to like steal it from her. It looks like a Cerrugi's bar. I've sold Cerrugi's a lot for fundraising for school things, for school trips, and they're really good. Try Cerrugi's bars. But yeah, it looks like a Cerrugi's bar, so. And the appearance is where the similarity to Cerrugi's ends. It is nothing like a Cerrugi's bar. It's extremely soft. It's almost like eating a cloud, but there's a little bit of peanut crunch. It definitely tastes like peanuts. It's really milk chocolatey. And I'm not very fond of milk chocolate. As we've discussed, I really prefer dark chocolate, and I'm the only one of us who really likes that. But I guess I just like bitter things, and I don't like milk. So milk chocolate just isn't really for me. It's good, but yeah, definitely not my favorite. So out of three that I thought would be my favorites, really only the butter chips actually were up there in things I like and would eat again.
All right, so Megan and I are here together to finish off the video and try the things that have not been tried yet. I have to say first that I would very much like to visit Poland. Poland is one of the top countries in Europe I would really like to visit. I'm very interested in the history, and there's some beautiful architecture there in some of the cities that I would really like to see. Okay, you obviously like those chips. Let me try one. They're what? They're just butter?
Butter and salt.
Mmm. They're very buttery. Very light, buttery chip. Okay, did you try the pretzels?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you think of those?
They're just pretzels.
Let me try.
They're lame.
They're lame. So not your favorite.
No.
Quite garlicky.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Oh, oniony. It's onion, not garlic.
I couldn't taste anything but the pretzel. It just tasted like a pretzel.
There's a lot of onion flavor. I don't like it.
It's so weird how much our taste buds vary.
Yeah.
Differ, not vary.
Did you try the Monster Munch?
I did. Oh, not these. No.
Try those.
Okay.
Ben and I both did.
Oh, they're puffy. Oh, look, it's a cute little ghost. Oh, I love it. Pretty good. Mm-hmm.
As she eats the whole bag. I do feel like those would be easy to eat the whole bag.
Mm-hmm.
Grab those things. Mm-hmm.
Not for me.
Okay. These are a iced gingerbread cookie mint flavor.
Two of the flavors I like least, mint and gingerbread.
Yeah. Oh. And it smells like mint and gingerbread. And it's a big bag. Why did they send us such a big bag of these? They're very soft, actually.
They look soft.
I thought they were going to be hard.
I thought so too, but now that you open it, it looks soft.
They're very minty.
Do you taste any of the gingerbread?
Yeah, but the mint overpowers it.
Mint overpowers everything. That's why you cannot store mint candies or like mint anything with other candies.
Mhm.
I learned that working at a candy shop.
I keep my boxes of Junior Mints separate from everything else in the house. I don't even want to take a second bite. They're like toothpaste.
I smell it.
That's really gross.
You can smell it from there?
Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah, these
I'm
are...
purposely not inhaling.
I don't really want to try these.
This looks like cheesecake. I don't know what
Well,
panna
maybe I
cotta
know.
is.
I don't know what panna cotta is either. These are both a dark chocolate. Ooh, and I am accidentally breaking it as I open it.
It's okay, I'll get it.
It's marshmallow inside.
I want to say we've tried something like this before. The marshmallow dark chocolate bar. It looks, sounds, and very familiar.
Yeah. I do like that they gave us a lot of wintry treats.
Mm-hmm.
I can't get this open. Wait. What do you think? No.
I'm not very fond of marshmallow, and I don't really like how marshmallow tastes with other things.
I'm not a big marshmallow fan either.
It always makes it taste more chemical.
Ooh, this smells like... It smells like almond extract or cherry.
Yeah, like you'd put in a pie.
It looks almost like marshmallow again inside, but it's like a little different.
On the cover, it looks like cheesecake.
Oh, but there's a layer
Yeah, see?
of something. Mm-hmm. It's like cherry cheesecake surrounded by chocolate.
I don't like it.
Oh,
Cherry's
yeah.
not doing it for me.
Now that we've tried everything, my actual favorites were probably these chips and two of the things I said I thought would be the peanut butter chocolate bar and the things in the Yums bag.
Oh, I didn't try those.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really
I
want
would
to.
say those were my three favorites.
I really only had two favorites. The butter chips again, and the little Monster Munch snacks. Very
Okay.
yummy. Okay. Probably some sort of scientific thing, but food that is smiling at you tastes better.
Ben, did your what you predicted you would like, did you like them?
Well, yeah, I would like them fine.
Okay. What was
it
your...
mainly just the dark chocolate. I forgot it was dark chocolate.
Oh,
And it
okay.
was way too much. It was way too much chocolate, not enough gingerbread.
Okay. Yeah, that gingerbread cookie with the chocolate on it. He didn't like the dark chocolate. So that was our Poland box. What do you think of the snacks and treats we had in this box? What do you think you would have liked? And do you like how we did this video a little different this month where we each took a turn exploring what we thought we would like the best? Did you like how we did that? I think it worked good for us.
Yeah.
It obviously doesn't have as much humorous interaction as the ones where we're all together. But leave us a comment down below and tell us your...
It felt easier and less time.
Yeah, it did. It did. It felt easier for us. But tell us how you liked it. We really appreciate hearing your comments. Thanks everyone for joining us for this Universal Yums unboxing today. Have a great day and safe travels.
Safe travels.